Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So this is the trailer for this month's exclusive Patreon tutorial. This is the Warcraft knot designed by Cetus550. Put a link down to his Instagram feed down below. So yeah, this is the exclusive tutorial for the month. If you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon page, and it's just another way for you guys who really like the channel to support the channel. And if you want access to this exclusive tutorial as well as exclusive giveaways, you can check the links down below and also linked in this video. And yeah, this is what we're doing. So for all the Patreon supporters out there, thank you for your support. It means a lot to this channel, it means a lot to me. And I hope you enjoy this month's tutorial. And if any of you guys are having access issues with any of the channel or the previous videos, please let me know. You know, the YouTube tends to be a little finicky with that. But anyways, yeah, it's the Warcraft knot for this month, and this one turned out pretty well. I like it. Hope you guys will like it too. Okay, so that being said, we'll see you guys on the next video.